Kyle Rittenhouse, Joseph Rosenbaum, and Anthony Hoover, three names forever linked by one chaotic night that tore a community apart and sparked a nationwide firestorm. What really happened between them that night would challenge everything people thought they knew about justice, fear, and survival. In the summer of 2020, a small city in Wisconsin became the center of a storm that shook the nation. Protests erupted after a police shooting, and tensions were high. Among the crowds was Kyle Rittenhouse, a 17-year-old from a nearby town, who carried a rifle and said he wanted to protect businesses from damage. What happened next would turn his life upside down and capture the attention of millions. That night, chaos filled the streets. Fires burned, sirens wailed, and people shouted in fear and anger. Kyle found himself in the middle of it all, armed and facing a crowd that seemed ready to fight. Suddenly, shots rang out. 3 people were hit, 2 fatally. The world was left wondering what really happened. Was Kyle defending himself, or did he go too far? As the story unfolded, it revealed unexpected layers. Video footage surfaced, showing the moments before and after the shooting. One clip showed Kyle being chased by angry protesters, some throwing objects at him. Another showed him firing in what appeared to be, but the lines were blurry and emotions ran high on both sides. The trial that followed became a national spectacle. The courtroom was filled with tension as lawyers debated whether Kyle's actions were justified or reckless. Evidence was carefully examined, the positions of those involved, the injuries sustained, and Kyle's own state of mind. The judge warned everyone that this case was more than just about one night. It reflected deep divisions in society. One of the biggest surprises came from witness testimony. Some painted Kyle as a hero trying to keep peace, while others described him as an aggressor who escalated the violence. Even experts disagreed on what the evidence showed, making it harder to find a clear answer. In the end, the jury faced a difficult decision. They had to weigh every detail, every piece of proof, and decide if Kyle acted in self-defense or crossed a dangerous line. When the verdict was finally announced, it sent shockwaves through the country. Some celebrated justice. Others felt it was a failure. The Kyle Rittenhouse shooting and trial remain a powerful reminder of how quickly a moment could change everything. It's a story of fear, courage, and the blurred boundaries between right and wrong. And as the debate continues, it forces us to ask difficult questions about violence, responsibility, and the cost of standing your ground.